another video. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another Mukbang show. I forgot to speak downstairs. Hey, you better start that barking, Logan. Welcome back to another video. If this is your very first time, and I know Chick-fil-A lady who just subscribed to my page, this is your very first time, and you've already subscribed. But if this is your first time, you right there looking in the camera, looking at this handsome young man, click like and subscribe below, because we need all the likes and all the subscribes that we can get. So of course, we've been seeing the Bloveslife sauce here, we've been seeing the Bloveslife sauce there, we've been seeing the Bloveslife sauce everywhere, but you ain't seen it right here. My guy, what are we doing today? So on today, we got us some old Bloveslife sauce, and you know it's super thick, she's super thick. Ow. Yeah, she thick. Oh, we like it. We like her thick. And we did it with the Chick-fil-A, because Chick-fil-A, and it's not Sunday, and it was open, and that's what I really wanted. So I've been seeing everyone and everyone do the Bloveslife. Make sure I ain't got no boogers in my eye, cause I ain't even check my fresh face here. So I've been seeing everybody do Bloveslife with the Popeyes chicken sandwich, and there is no Popeyes near me, so Popeyes is always, excuse me, it's always a treat when I can get it. Let me get a little bit more light on my face if y'all don't mind. This will not be edited out. It's only gonna take like 0.5 seconds. Boom, bada boom. Y'all hear me behind the camera. We ain't gonna edit that out because we only got so much space on this memory card, shawty. Alright. But yeah, so I wanted some Chick-fil-A and Bloveslife. So this is the very first ever Chick-fil-A Bloveslife waffle fries, because I ain't seen nobody do it, and you know I like to be first with everything. It's gonna get you. Oh, it's hot, Lord Jesus. And I made this specifically for. I made the sauce, you know, for. Hold on, wait. I'm gonna start with a crunch. Let's start with a crunch. These are the cucumbers that y'all talk about, and for those of you who don't have enough common sense to know things that are green change colors on the green screen. You know, it just happens. Yeah, that's just what it is. Let's see who this is. Hello. You have the wrong number. Thank you. Back to the video. But yeah, so I wanted to see what they taste like with these old fry, and ooh, it's hot. And I went to Chick-fil-A like I normally go and ask for 1,000 sauces, and I'm like, oh man, crap. I'm eating it with the Bloveslife sauce today. Totally blew my mind. Oh, this is the mild version, by the way. The new mild. Y'all don't understand how many times a day I have to say, you have the wrong number. Y'all remember back in the day? You know, the days of the phone book. Couldn't nobody find your number. Nobody knew who you was. I'm talking about that landline now. Back in the day, if somebody had your number it's because they really knew who you was. Y'all remember them days? Not everybody named mama. I bit my lip. Oh my god. It bleeding too. Dang. It's all bleeding. Chewing too fast. But yeah. Oh, let's try these chicken. Ooh, she thick shot it. Ooh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I keep getting this hot. Why is it? Alright, talk with my mouth open. Why is it so hard to find whole fried wings? You remember back in the day before they started selling the wingettes or the little, regular chicken wing? And then you can find, well, that's all they sold was the wing part with the, attachment on it. The whole, whole fried wing. It's almost impossible to find a place that sells. You go play like like JJ. If anybody y'all got JJ's in y'all area, no, a place like that. It's like nearly impossible to find a place. Oh, I forgot about the wave chick. I'm gonna put my face in the sauce. Wave check 1 2 1 3. Everybody want a wave check like me. I'm expecting somebody to knock on this door in a second because the Comcast man supposed to be coming. And I'm gonna still be mukbanging. I'm just letting them know like, hey, you need to be a little quiet, shawty, cause you over here trying to make a change, make a little change. Change. That's sauce. That's sauce. That sauce is sauce. Is it me? Is it just me or anybody else? Ever since I started eating cucumbers with the sauce, every mukbang that I do, I want to eat cucumbers with it. Like, it's just like, oh my god. And honestly, that didn't mean it's healthy, They're healthy. Like I'm doing nothing bad. The sauce make it sing. But YouTube copyright won't let you. All things. Cheese. Of course, I have sauce that's pre-frozen, but it's seafood. So I was gonna risk it all. I was gonna say, you know what, I ain't making no new sauce just for, you know, one thing. I can't do that. All right, you know what? I don't want my chicken tasting like seafood in real life. Excuse me. So, am I the only one that like to cook the dang. My lips still bleeding. Dang. I bit the hell out of my lip. Slow down, shot. Am I the only one that like to catch the edges of the bowl? Because that's where all that good be done gathered up. Like we at the front of the church trying to get our tithes and our offering. Dearly beloved. Hold on, wait. That's a wedding. That's not the right saying. I don't know where that came from. I'm sorry I keep getting up, y'all. You know, when you're doing things outside of your normal, like, damn, something fell out my mouth. Like when you ain't behind the green screen and you ain't doing your normal, it's just different. It's like you constantly have to check, am I recording? Is my mic on? You know what I'm saying? You don't want to make sure everything kosher and social. For the folks out there in YouTube land, they already ain't got smell-o-vision. I know you want to smell this good smell. Got my whole house smell like Bloveslife sauce. Real hot. Real hot too. Yeah, real hot. Oh, I forgot to say my grace. 12 minutes into the video. Thank you, Lord. In your name I pray, we all pray, amen. I got that from Simply Food by T.Y. I was watching him today, him and who is that? What's the lady's name? I think her name is Flavor TV or something like that. Quote me if I'm wrong, because I know y'all saw the video too. There's a lot of people that follow him, subscribe to me also. And they made a I'm about to shampoo my beard. They made a fried turkey. You know, just like pre-Thanksgiving kind of setup is what it was. But everything looks so good. And the lady, I've heard her name before, but I ain't never seen her video. I might check her out because she looks hilarious. And them apple martinis had her sitting back. Them apple martinis, she was throwing them back, baby. 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 The sauce. I ain't do no thumbnail either. Thumbnail. I'm late. I'm late on everything. There ain't no such thing as too late when it's your production, you know what I mean? May not come when you want it, but it'll be there right on time. Call him up. I can't help myself. Tell him what you want. Call him up. Tell him what you want. I don't know why I keep wiping my hands and having to put my hands back in there. It's like redundant, you know? It's a mental thing. It's all mental. Mental. That's all. That's all still hot. Excuse me. Way before I be singing in my head since I can't sing out loud. Well, I try to do a mix and a blend of talking. Some people like the talking, some people like the eating. I get less people that say they don't like as much talking than I do. I feel they do. Most people don't mind the talking and the eating at the same time. Some people are just mean. That's okay. You know. That's okay. I just couldn't, I don't know. I can't fathom the idea of saying something mean and hateful. I can't. Like, it makes my heart hurt. To be honest. Like, to just be mean and hateful and spiteful and petty, you know, for no reason at all because, you know, your life ain't what you feel it should be and you're not what you feel you should be in life, and, you know, things may not be going. You know, there's people in this world, and you have to be mindful, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, when you have that shield of the Lord and you have that shield of armor over your body, He don't even allow you to be in situations that, you know, I hear a lot of people say, you know, you have to be mindful of your energy, you have to watch your energy. Let me tell you something. When you have that shield and that armor over your body and over your life, He won't even let you be in a situation. I know we all got our you know, our things that we may not necessarily hide from the public eye, but, you know, that we may just feel that we do on our own little, you know, side town when ain't nobody around type thing, you know what I'm saying? But He watching, you know what I'm saying? But one thing I've noticed, you know, some of the past things that, you know, sometimes everybody run back to sometimes, the things from your past, and in any attempt to place myself in a position of the situation around those people and those particular types of energy, it's just like they don't even exist anymore. Yeah, they exist, but they're existing on a different playing field somewhere way over here. And I'm still thinking that, you know, I can just enter into this and then, that, you know, that it may still be there. I'm not talking about myself, but I'm talking to myself a little bit. But, you know what I'm saying? Whenever you're getting ready to even approach the situation, He's going to move the situation out of the situation. So when you in the situation, it's just like, you know, it ain't for you no more. Your you know, your spirit has moved on and it has elevated into something else. Somebody say amen. Somebody say amen, if you understand where I'm coming from. You know what I'm saying? He won't even allow any energies. You know what I'm saying? And if the energy is present and and you know what I'm saying, you still, you know, in the vicinity of it, he'll give you recognition like, okay, I'm letting you know this is what it is, what you gonna do with it, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna keep allowing yourself to be around this type of vibe, or you're gonna move on with your life, because it's time. It's time. A lot of people, let me tell y'all something. It's time. Okay? Go get your blessing. Go get it. I don't say it was a mistake. I don't know how I got here. I'm just gonna let the Lord guide my tongue. Let me tell you a mistake a lot of people make. And they do literally this. This right here, I'm gonna tell you. I'm just gonna sit here. I know my blessing gonna come. I know it's gonna come. I'm just gonna sit here. I know it's gonna come. It's gonna come one day. One day turning 49 years later. I done been through a lot. But I know the Lord gonna bless me one day. I don't care. I know it's been 49 years, but the Lord gonna bless me one day. It's redundant. It's not how it works. In order to receive, you have to give. What you give out is what you get back. You know what I'm saying? So if you want them blessing, you have to go get your blessing. You know what I'm saying? You have to go and get it. Go get your blessing. Like right now, I'm attempting to get my blessing by putting that word out to somebody out there in YouTube land so that they can understand, because some people don't understand. Some people don't know how to understand. You know what I'm saying? Some people just sitting around waiting on the Lord, but the Lord is waiting on you. Okay? Whew. All right. I just felt that in my spirit that I had to say that. I did. I don't know where that came from, but I felt it in my spirit, and I feel like somebody watching this video gonna be watching it at that very moment in time where they need to hear it the most. And that's how he works. When you allow him to use you, you have to allow him to use you. And he say, Lord, use me, be ready to be used. A lot of people don't understand. He speaks to you in the purest of forms. And the purest of form is you. It's yourself. That voice that you hear in your head, it's not you, it's him, but he speaks to you in the purest of form, so it sounds like you. And in a sense, and in an essence, it is you, because you are him. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Be love sound. Somebody gonna get on here. Well, he ain't no preacher. No, I'm not a preacher. I'm a vessel. What's the difference? A preacher preaches what they think and they know. They preach what they feel that they know. A vessel is used. It's a wonderful, 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 wonderful thing to be used. Wonderful. Excuse me. Oh, I wanted to do the don't say challenge. I forget, y'all. Y'all be wanting to do challenges. I be forgetting. I'm so sorry. So sorry. know a lot of people, I'm not gonna say a lot of people, but there's been a few people that gotten a little upset because they've challenged me, and I didn't necessarily do it. But y'all, if y'all challenge me, please just do, you know, because you ain't challenging the whole world. So your due diligence in the challenge is to tag the person. You have to tag people. You know what I'm saying? You have to IM them, let them know, hey, you've been challenged. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so many videos out there. I mean, I have caught it. Like, it ain't nothing personal. I just may not have caught your video. It's 1,000, 1,000,000 videos to watch out there, and so many people are asking me to come show love to their channel. I'm not stressing myself, trying to make sure, you know, I show everybody love. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna do it. You know, everybody is. I'm not physically able. Because when this 30-minute video is over, my normal continues. These light bills, these lights, they ain't on for free. You know what I'm saying? With food, that ain't free. Bills have to be paid around here. Well, I promise I'm trying to show love to so many people, so please don't take it as no disrespect if I missed your challenge or if I missed one of your videos. Please, please, please don't. I can promise it's all love over here. All love. I went to Chick-fil-A. I always get light ice. Because by the time, well, typically by the time I make it home, it's a habit now, but typically by the time I make it home, the ice be done melted. And then, you know, I have a whole cup of lemonade because, of course, I'm walking. Shout out to, I can Uber, but I'm not about to Uber like 30 seconds down the road. Excuse me. That makes no sense. I'm not about to do that. So I do walk. Most things are local for me anyway, so yeah. I be trying to make sure I ain't got no booger in my eye. You know, I've seen a few of them videos of mine out there, and we're like, ooh, could have got that out your eye, guy. We just gonna leave that in your eye like that? Y'all so nice. Team Picasso, y'all so nice, y'all so kind. Y'all, I can't do no wrong in y'all eyes. I don't know if it's a Capricorn thing, I don't know what it is, but y'all so kind to me, because I've seen a lot of, you know what I'm saying, like one time, what was I doing? I think I was making, I tell my flaws, it's no issue over here, you know what I'm saying? I point out my own flaws. I was making the first video of the Bloveslife mild sauce, and y'all didn't catch that. I'll throw it at the end of this video so you can go watch how I make my Bloveslife mild sauce. I took my do-rag off on camera, and when I took my do-rag off, I had a gap like right here, and it looked like I had a patch of hair missing in my head. But look, the texture of my hair like parts under the do-rag, so I have to brush it after I take the do-rag off, but I didn't because I was on camera was rolling, do-rag off, boom, 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 bam, bam, and that's just what it was. And I watched the video later, I'm like, dang. So now I brush my hair. If I do a wave check on camera, I brush my hair, put my do-rag back on, tie it up like it was never off, and you know, get on with the program. There's so much that go on behind this camera. So much. So at least the cucumbers gonna be green this time. This was good though. I enjoyed this video. Thoroughly enjoyed the Bloveslife sauce with Chick-fil-A. I can only imagine what it tastes like with Popeye. And that Popeye be crispy. Oh, I'm a down talk Chick-fil-A. I was talking about Popeye while I'm eating Chick-fil-A. If this is your first time here, click like and subscribe below. I appreciate y'all for watching. Another great mukbang. I know I say it wrong every time. But it is what it is. Cause I was too blind to see. I never thought it could happen to me. Then I knew, y'all know that song? Things had changed. Cause when you made love, you called out his name. So much tension. Cause we're living a lie.